Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans and Where the Heck Are the Albans? We are at home and we are continuing with our Advent calendars today. So, on the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Star Wars socks. Woo! Alright, here is the Star Wars 15 Days of Socks. Alright, this one is kind of neat because it actually shows you what types of socks are in each one. So we'll have like ankle socks and full socks and so forth. And this one has the lights like from our dining room light. 4 pair of crew socks, 4 pair of quarter socks, and 7 pair of no-show socks. Alright. Okay, so let's get into this. Day number 1, Stormtroopers. Ooh,
bad guys who can't shoot well.
That's right.
They cannot aim for the life of them.
They cannot.
What do we get?
Wow, they're like folded already. What the heck?
That's great.
What? Wait, what? Oh, they're... I see what they did. Okay. We got Vader.
Ooh.
Vader socks.
Vader socks.
This is the dark side. Don't join the dark side.
But we have cookies.
All right. Number 2 is right here.
Yoda.
Yoda
and Luke.
Mm-hmm.
Two of my...
Yes.
my favorite characters.
Alright, we've got R2.
R2-D2.
Love them. Number
Wanna be 'em.
3. The AT-ATs. Or the AT-ATs, but...
No, AT-ATs.
AT-ATs. Oh! Okay, I just found one of my favorite pairs of socks so far. We got...
And they're long.
Yeah. So we got Chewie. He's looking a little sultry, though. I don't know. Like, oh.
That was not a good impression. There we go.
There we go. Okay.
There's 4.
Where's number 4? Right here.
There.
Vader and Luke fighting. And we have...
I think that's C-3PO.
3PO.
Yay! Also one of my favorite characters.
Well, 3POs. Okay. Number 5 is down here. That's the TIE Fighter.
TIE Fighters. Who also can't aim.
TIE Fighters in space. Okay.
If you have ever seen any of the Star Wars, you know that TIE Fighter, just the dark side in general,
yes,
can't aim.
Awesome.
Boba Fett.
Boba the Fett. My backpack's got jets. All right. Number 6 is 3PO up here.
3PO.
These are actually pretty nice to... Oh, gosh, I found the ones that your mother's going to want, baby. Kylo Ren.
Adam Driver's in there.
Yep.
Got Adam Driver socks.
Okay, number 7.
Where's number 7?
Vader.
Darth Vader.
Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son. No! I'll never join you!
No. But you killed my father.
Obi-Wan never told you what happened to your father. Oh, it's Vader.
I know you killed him.
No, I am your father.
No!
Number 8, Chewie and 3PO.
Oh, the best squad right there.
Yeah.
Squad goals.
Come on. There we go.
Oh, you decapitated Chewie. What we got?
Millennium Falcon socks.
Woo!
Yeah.
And a cat.
Look at that.
Amazing.
That is awesome. Okay, so Falcon socks. All right, number 9. Help me, Obi-Wan. You're my only hope. Got Leia
Who said
and
it?
R2.
Leia.
That's right.
To who? Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Last year we had Star Wars trivia on the inside cover. This year they just told you what kind of socks are in it.
Boring. But also very helpful.
All right, we have X-Wing pilot.
Woo! Wait, are those good guys?
That's awesome. Yeah, these are the good guys.
Okay.
Yeah, X-Wing. TIE fighters are the bad guys.
Got it.
The ones that can't shoot.
Right.
Okay, what number was that? That was 9.
We're looking for 10.
10. Boba Fett. Boba Fett!
Boba Fett.
Where? Ooh, we got, looks like AT-ATs.
At.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, with the snow speeders going around them, too.
Ooh.
These are awesome. These are sweet. I might wear these tomorrow. All right.
Number 11.
Number
Yoda.
11. Yes. Do or do not. There is no try. And I do believe
socks!
they are Yoda socks. Jedi Master. It's Master Yoda.
Can I have those?
Can you have these?
Yeah.
Whose advent calendar is this?
Yours. But they're Yoda.
Of course you can have them.
Yeah.
Okay, number 12, R2-D2.
R2. Also one of the best characters.
One of my faves.
I can't whistle, so I can't do that.
It's like we got Stormtroopers. Oh. We do. Stormtrooper socks.
Who can't shoot for the life of them. No wonder they keep dying.
All right. Number
They're
13.
right there. Right there.
Oh, Chewie and Han.
Oh, my favorite character, Han Solo. I love Han Solo so much.
Laugh it up, fuzzball. Wow. Oh,
BB-8.
BB-8 socks, and
They're
they're
long.
the long. They're like the crew socks. These are pretty nice. Look at those. Yeah. And it says BB-8 on the bottom by the toes.
BB.
That's cool. All right. Next is 14.
That BB-8? No, that's the Death Star.
The Death Star plans are not in the main computer.
I never realized how much the Death Star looks like BB-8.
All right. All right. And in here we have, it says,
What's that say?
hold on.
Fight.
If we put them together, we can see, fight like a rebel.
I love those socks.
Yeah. They're like David Bowie socks, kind of. You know?
Yeah.
Fight like a rebel. Rebel, rebel.
And then
All right.
15's
And
right
then
there.
15, the Millennium Falcon.
Ooh!
Don't worry, she'll hold together. You hear me, baby? Hold together. And
You should have destroyed that box. They're long socks.
they are long socks, and it says a long time ago
In a galaxy far,
in a
far
galaxy
away.
far, far away. Look at that.
And it has a
TIE Fighter.
TIE Fighter. Are you sure?
All right, yeah. TIE Fighter. X-Wing, I'm sorry. Gosh. Yeah.
I was like, I thought that was TIE Fighter.
Yeah, these are awesome. I like these.
I like those too.
All right. Well, those were the 15 day of Star Wars socks. Pretty cool. And remember, don't underestimate the Force.
That's like the best quote.
But the actual quote is, don't underestimate the dark side of the Force.
Oh, so they got it wrong.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all tomorrow.
Whoa!